Easy to use, portable, and dust-free, the versatile Marshalltown 17-inch tile cutter checks all the boxes for DIYers. It will cut a variety of tile like ceramic, porcelain, and more. You can make straight cuts up to 17 inches long and 45-degree angle cuts on 12 by 12 tiles up to a ½ inch thick. Cutting tile with the Marshalltown 17-inch tile cutter is literally a snap. First, set the adjustable guide to the desired width. Then place the tile on the base firmly against the guide. Move the scoring wheel into position at the start of the cut. Apply downward pressure and push the handle forward. Then, move the breaker foot directly above the tile. Apply quick downward pressure until the tile snaps. A clean cut without any dust or residue. Angle cuts are easy too. Place the tile into the notch on the base, then move the adjustable guide to help keep the tile in position. Then score and snap. The secret to the system is the tungsten carbide cutting wheel. It only takes one pass to score the tile. And the heavy-duty handle and breaker foot make snapping the tile easy. The Marshalltown 17-inch tile cutter comes pre-assembled with a base, 2 guide rods, a carriage assembly with the carbide cutting wheel, lever action handle, and an adjustable guide that can be removed for making custom cuts. Make your next tile project a snap with the Marshalltown 17-inch tile cutter.